Basket's Skyward Journey. On a morning when the wind danced through the leaves, a young girl named Amma was exploring near the ancient baobab tree. High in its branches, something enormous was tangled. It was a giant woven basket, unlike any she had ever seen. It smelled faintly of cocoa and fresh rain. Carefully, Amma climbed closer and found a small, rolled-up note tucked into its weave. The note read, "Return me to the sky before the moon is full," Amma whispered. To the sky? And to her surprise, the basket lifted a few inches, swaying gently in the air. Amma rushed to find her friend, Kofi, whose eyes widened when he saw the floating basket. "We must help it," he declared. Their journey began, guided by 3 clues. Their first stop was the Market of Talking Drums. Drummers beat out rhythms that spoke of the weather, of news, and of paths. Amma listened carefully, her ears learning to read the beats. Soon, Amma understood. A quick, staccato beat told them the wind would guide them through the hills. "The hills of Whistling Wind next," she told Kofi, her eyes bright with understanding. They arrived at the hills of Whistling Wind, where ancient flutes carved into the rocks sang with the breeze. Kofi closed his eyes, listening to the melodies, each one telling which way the wind traveled. "This path," Kofi announced, pointing to a narrow trail. "The wind here sings of the River of Thousand Lanterns." They followed the wind's song, the basket drifting faithfully behind them. At the River of Thousand Lanterns, night fishermen lit their boats, making the water glow. To cross, an old fisherman said, "You must trade a story." Kofi took a deep breath and began to tell a tale of brave adventures. The fisherman smiled, pleased, and guided them across the shimmering river. Finally, they reached a high cliff where the vast ocean met the twinkling stars. As the moon began to swell, the basket began to rise, higher and higher. Inside, Amma and Kofi could see small tools and seeds, gifts for another village far across the sky. They watched until it was just a tiny speck, remembering that help and knowledge, like the wind and the river, always travel both ways, connecting everyone under the same wide sky.